Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog here on WellCode. I'm Petru and we are filming this vlog because we were invited to Bucharest. We'll hold a workshop about personal projects, about what you can do in order to improve your resume, in order to higher your chances to get hired by a good company. And if we're going there, we thought, okay, let's film another vlog. I don't enjoy that much creating vlogs. I like more building educational stuff. But because you enjoy vlogs so much, and I can see that because of the views, I thought, okay, let's film another vlog. And before going to Bucharest, I want to encourage you to watch till the end. I don't know what we'll do over there, but every time we went to Bucharest, there were a lot of interesting things. So watch till the end because there will be good stuff coming up. But before starting the journey, I'll show you what I need to take with me just for creating videos. After seeing this, you'll probably think, oh, why does he need so much gear? The purpose of all this gear is to make your experience as pleasant as possible. I know learning programming is very hard. I don't want to make it harder than it should be. And especially when you're watching YouTube videos and you're not actually learning how to code, it's good to just relax and enjoy the content without trying to look and think, oh, what's this thing? Why can't I hear him? Or why can't I see him clearly? So let's go. The first thing I'm gonna pack with me is the light, which will help me especially when filming during the night. I like filming during the night because you can see the buildings, you can see cities, and the background is much smoother and darker. The next thing I'm gonna pack with me is a wireless microphone. This helps get a very good sound. I remember when we were just beginning, we had a really crappy microphone, and when you turn the volume a bit up, you can hear all kind of distortions, but right now we're doing very good with those wireless microphones. The next thing I'm gonna pack is the new lens. It's actually on the camera right now. We wanna test it. It's way better when filming videos just by myself. It makes my head not look distorted. It makes my head look more normal. This is the lens we are usually using. It's a very good lens. I don't know if it's in focus, but yeah, this is it. And now it comes to my external hard drive where I save all the movies. Filming in 4K takes a lot of space, so I can't save everything on the card, and that's why I have a 6 terabyte hard drive. And then it comes to my laptop. I use it mainly for coding. I don't know when we will release this video because we still have a lot of unreleased content, but I use it especially for coding. We can't afford losing 3 days while being in Bucharest, so we will code a lot. And also we will film videos because Bucharest looks amazing. It has some very nice old buildings and we want to bring the best quality possible to the videos, and we'll use the opportunity for being in Bucharest to film it. And now I have to end this part. There are obviously a lot of cables like laptop chargers, phone chargers, battery chargers like Kindle chargers, and every kind of cable you can possibly imagine. I started doing lists of cables so I make sure I don't forget anything, and I'll meet up with Bianca tomorrow morning and we'll go to the airport and we'll continue the vlog from there, so stay tuned. Now it's morning and I'm going to the taxi to meet Bianca and go to the airport. The taxi is waiting for me outside. It's not a taxi, it's an Uber, and here in the back is Bianca.
It's Taxify actually.
Oh, okay, it's Taxify, I didn't know. And yeah, we're going to the airport. Now we arrived at the airport. It says Cluj International Airport, and we'll go in and check in and go through security, and then we will film some more. We don't have accommodation until 12 o'clock, so we'll can have some more time to work to prepare the international launch for you. So don't forget to check that out. I don't know if it will be released when this video will be released, but anyway, we have some free content for you on wellcode.com, so make sure to check that out. in Bucharest, but because the traffic is very busy at this time, we are sitting here in the airport. Bianca is fixing some bug at the website and I'm answering all the comments because we get a lot of comments on the Romanian platform. We're so excited to launch internationally and we hope we'll have enough time to answer them all even after the international launch, because we are here to help you become a better programmer. Very important thing before filming, we need to eat. So we're here at a Vietnamese restaurant in Bucharest and we are waiting for food which is prepared over there.
Are you hungry?
Not so much, but Bianca, she's very hungry.
I'm always hungry.
And Bucharest is one of my most favorite cities. It's the place where I did my senior year of high school. I learned a lot here and it's a great place where you have lots and lots of activities, lots of interesting people to hang out with. It's a cool place. It's a bit too crowded, too big, but it's good every once in a while. I wouldn't live here, but I like being here once in a while. I can't remember if I told you already, but we're in Bucharest because we'll have a workshop at the Romanian International University Fair where we'll talk about how to build a personal project which will be successful and which will help you land some awesome jobs after the college, or which will help you get into a good university. And right now Bianca is working on the slides. She is creating the slide about me, I think. We have one more day until the workshop. I'll talk about personal projects. It will be pretty spontaneous, but every presentation is better with some images and with some slides, and that's the reason Bianca is working so hard. The presentation has come, we are ready with the slides and we know what we need to do, and now we need to go to Sala Palatului. Okay, Bianca, take me to Sala Palatului.
In 550 meters, turn left. I need to be a GPS.
Yeah. So if you're interested in this new kind of GPS and of navigation system, don't forget to drop a comment and pre-order the new Bianca GPS for $9.99 and we'll send it to you whenever we launch. Now Bianca is learning how to present herself. She always has trouble doing that. She has so many achievements and important things she's done, but she always tries to hide them instead of just going there and telling all the cool things she's done. Why are you doing that?
I'm not doing it.
You are
making it up.
I'm not.
You are.
Okay, then present yourself in front of the...
No, everybody knows I am already a star.
That's what I'm talking about. This is the place where we're gonna have the workshop. We are curious about the number of people that are gonna come. On the internet there were already 200 people registered.
Yes, I'm ready. Don't ask.
This is how our presentation looks like, and there are a lot of people here already, and we are beginning soon. Tell me, what did we just do?
We filmed a very exciting interview with, actually he filmed an interview with us, Cristi Priză.
If you're from Romania, go to Cristian Priză. He's a YouTuber, he does very interesting videos, so go on to his YouTube channel and subscribe. We are testing a new lens. We'll use this lens for portraits and for shots which are like more static, in which I'm just talking about boring stuff. But we are going soon to film a video about the importance of having a purpose. It will be on a wheel, hopefully it will be still open. We just finished filming the intro for the English platform, for the English content. We filmed a lot of times. Yeah, this is the first impression. Basically, when people go on wellcode.com and start learning, they'll see the video right away, and we shot a lot of times until my brain was not able to formulate sentences anymore. Now I'm astonished about how well I'm talking. Maybe we could have filmed one or more times, but I'm very happy we finished, and now we are going to eat some very good.
And like, I'm hungry. I truly can't film anymore because I'm hungry, or I'm tired, or my hand hurts because I have to pull this thing which I almost dropped.
Yeah, we put a lot of effort into creating content, but at least me, I love filming videos, and I love to share knowledge. And I don't know about Bianca if she loves doing that or not, but we are so happy that we are able to help you. Sometimes Bianca will get nervous and say, okay, let's stop doing this, I need a break. But in the end, whenever...
Or angry, I think angry, he meant angry.
Yeah. But I think whenever she's looking at the work we've done, she feels very proud and happy that she's also able to help.
And you also have a pretty good English. It's not perfect, but mine is not perfect either, so I can't say.
Yeah. Hopefully in 1 year, you'll see way better content.